In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold this paper double ninja star. To make the paper transforming ninja star, you need 2 pieces of A4 paper. But if you want to make it a single color, if you want to make your ninja star a single color, you can use one piece of A4 paper. But I have used different colors over in this ninja star, so I used 2 papers. One is orange and another one is yellow. So first we're going to fold this edge to this edge. Crease very sharply. And now we're just going to tear this part off. If you want, you can use scissors, but I'm going to just rip it off. Like this. We're not going to throw this piece away. We also need this as well. We're going to fold this edge to this edge. We're going to do the same thing on this paper as well. And we're going to crease sharply on both of the papers. And I'm going to just rip this part off, but if you want, you can use scissors. And then do the same thing over here as well. So we have 4 pieces of paper over here. We don't need these pieces, so we're just going to keep this aside. We just only need 1 right now. So first we're going to fold this edge to this edge. But do not throw these pieces of paper away. We're going to need it later. Like this. And now we're going to fold this edge to this edge. And then open it. So now we have a crease right over here. For crease right over here, we're going to fold this edge to this crease. And then we're going to fold this edge to this crease. I'm going to flip the piece over. Now I'm going to fold this edge to this edge. Do the same thing on the other side. Now we're going to fold this corner to this point. It's okay if there's a little bit gap over here. Do the same thing on the other side. Then close it like this. Now we're going to make 3 more of these out of these 3 pieces of paper. So I'm going to fast forward this part, but if you want, you can just skip to this time of the video right over here if you need help. So we have made all the pieces. So now we're just going to connect. We're just going to connect the pieces. So first we're going to hold this piece right like this. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. So we're going to hold this piece like this, and we're going to get another piece, and we're just going to flip it like this, and then we're going to fold it like this. So this is the letter 8 right over here. Okay, if you're using different colored paper like I have used over here, so we're going to hold the piece like this, and then hold it like this, and we're going to now take another piece over here and then just put it over here like this, as you can see over here. Just going to put it like this, and now we're just going to fold this point up, fold it like this, and fold it over here. Just going to fold this part down as well. And now we're just going to fold it inside. We're just going to fold this point inside this pocket. So we're just going to tuck this flap inside this pocket right over here. Like this. So the first ninja star is done. I'm going to flip it over. We have another piece right over here. We're just going to place it like this. We're going to fold this part up, fold this part like this, fold this part like this, and then fold. We're just going to tuck this flap inside this pocket right over here. I think I need to open this part more. Make sure not to rip it. If the pocket, if you're struggling with opening the pocket, you can just stick a pencil to make a gap right over here like this, and then you can just tuck it in. You can just close it like this, and now your double-sided ninja star is done, or your transforming ninja star is done. Spin it like this. Spin it, and yes, your transforming ninja star is done. So thanks for watching. If you liked it, please give it a like, and also subscribe. Subscribe over here, and you can also watch this playlist right over here, and also you can watch my latest video over here. So yes, see you guys next time. Bye.